This video lecture demonstrates the cal command in UNIX. The cal command is a calendar command in UNIX which is used to display the calendar of a specific month or a year. The cal command without any option will print the current month calendar. It will also highlight the current day. The calendar of the complete current year can be printed using the -y option of cal command. To print the calendar of a particular year, the year can be specified with or without -y option. To print the calendar of a particular month of the current year, the month's name or month's number can be specified with -m option in cal command. To print previous month, current month, and the next month's calendar, -3 option can be used with cal command. To print previous month, next month, along with the specified month's calendar, -3 option can be used with cal command by giving month's name and year or month's number and year as arguments. To print a custom range of months before and after the current month, the options "A" and "B" can be used with cal command. "A" represents months after, "B" represents months before. To print a custom range of months before and after a particular month, the options "A" and "B" can be used with cal command by giving month's name and year or month's number and year as arguments. To print the day of the year in numbers, -j option is used with cal command. This will display days as numbered from January 1. Let us see the demonstration of cal command one by one with all its options. The cal command without any option is given at the $prompt. As you can see on the screen, the shell has displayed the current month calendar, that is September 2020 calendar. As you can notice, the current date is also highlighted. Now the cal command is given along with -y option at the $prompt. As you can see on the screen, the shell has displayed the current year 2020 complete calendar on the screen. Now cal command is given along with -y option and 2021 is given as the argument at the $prompt. Now as you can see, the shell has displayed the calendar of the specified year 2021. To display a specific year calendar, cal command can be used without -y option also. When cal 2022 is given at the $prompt, the shell has displayed the calendar of 2022 on the screen. To print a particular month calendar of a current year, we can use cal command with -m option. When we gave cal -m jul at the $prompt, as you can see, the shell has displayed July 2020 month calendar. And next, when we gave cal -m aug, the shell has displayed August 2020 month's calendar on the screen. As you can notice, the month's name has to be given in 3 characters. Instead of using month name, we can also use month number in order to print particular month calendar of the current year using -m option along with cal command. When we gave cal -m 02, the shell has displayed February 2020 calendar. Similarly, when we gave cal -m 03, then the shell has displayed March 2020 calendar on the screen. To print 3 months view with reference to the current month, we can use the command cal with -3 option. When we gave cal -3 at the $prompt, the shell has displayed August 2020, September 2020, October 2020 calendar on the screen, and the current month being September 2020. To print 3 months calendar with reference to a specific month, -3 option can be used with cal command by giving month's name and year or month's number and year as arguments. When we gave cal -3 JAN 2021 at the $prompt, the shell has displayed 3 months calendar, namely December 2020, January 2021 and February 2021. The shell has taken January 2021 as the specific month, and it has displayed the previous month December 2020 calendar and the next month February 2021 calendar on the screen. When we gave CAL-301 2022 at the dollar prompt, the shell has displayed 3 months calendar, namely December 2021, January 2022 and February 2022 calendar on the screen. Here in the CAL command, instead of using month's name, we have used month's number. To print a custom range of months before and after the current month, the options -A and -B can be used with CAL command. When we gave CAL-A3-B2 at the dollar prompt, the shell has displayed 3 months after, 2 months before, taking the current month as the September 2020. To print a custom range of months before and after a particular month, the options -A and -B can be used with CAL command by giving month's name and year or month's number and year as arguments. When we gave CAL-A2-B1 JAN 2021, the shell has displayed 2 months after, 1 month before January 2021 on the screen. When we gave CAL-A3-B3 2022 at the dollar prompt, the shell has displayed 3 months after and 3 months before January 2022 on the screen. To print the day of the year in number, -J option can be used with CAL command. So when we gave CAL-J, then the shell has displayed September 2020 calendar, where each date is given as the running number starting from January 1, 2020. When we gave CAL-J 2020, the complete calendar of 2020 is displayed on the screen, where you can see each day of the year is printed in numbers. When we gave CAL-J JAN 2020, the shell has displayed January 2020 calendar with each day of the number with running numbers. And similarly, when we gave CAL-J 02 2022, then the shell has displayed February 2022 calendar, where each day of the year is given in running numbers. Thank you.